Bike check donut. Wrong bike. Alright.
Shitty ripped Odyssey grips.
Yes.
Fucked.
And what are the bar ends?
Odyssey bar ends, don't know what they're called. 9.6 sweet tooth bars. Thrashed. Colony stem in chrome. Colt headset with a Colony top cap. Stranger bolus forks. 2 Salt Plus wheels. Thrashed. Colt 3-piece cranks. Also thrashed. Snafu sprocket. Shadow Conspiracy chain. Colony seat. Colt frame 20-inch long, 21-inch long. I had 2 animal tyres.
Pedals.
Some downhill Black Label pedals. And
What are them things on your wheel?
oh, the best things you'll ever buy for your bike. Spokey dokies. For sale. Buy it off me.
For sale. Alright. How much?
400.
Alright. Like and subscribe for more donut videos.
You know it.
No clips because he usually sits down. Well, that was alright.